Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be reviewing the Browning 1911 22A1 and 22LR. It comes in this nice soft range case. You get your standard cable tie. You get your owner's manual and the gun itself. Of course, before you handle any firearm, you want to check if it's clear. It looks safe to me. Now this is an 85% scaled down version of a full-size 1911. Scaled down to 85% of a full-size, sorry. Now I'm pretty sure this takes down just like any other 1911. Got my special tool just in case I need help. Popsicle stick. Well, that's broke. I would also hold your thumb down so that the recoil spring doesn't launch. There you go, fully disassembled. And today we're also going to be installing this full-length guide rod from, where's that little paper? This card. ZR Tactical Solutions. If you guys want to find it out, you just search that online. You find your guide rod right there. Forgot the price. First you need to put your barrel in. Barrel bushing. And I'm pretty sure you just pull this all the way back. Make sure it's to the side off a little to the side. Just slide that in like so. Then you also got to make sure that it goes into that little notch right there. There you go. Then you install your spring. Then I forgot what this is called. You put this in here. Rotate the barrel bushing. And there you go. Now I just put it back together. And there you go. Full-length guide rod installed. I'll be taking this out to the range tomorrow. I'll see you then. I also bought 2 magazines to go with the pistol. And I also noticed there's a little trick to putting in your mag. It don't want to go in. It's because you got to put down the magazine release button first in order to install it properly. See you guys at the range. The range, ready to start shooting. No recoil. And it loves the cheap ammo. Alright, YouTube, back from the range. Of course, first thing we gotta do is check if it's clear. Looks safe to me. We're gonna start taking this down and cleaning it. I'm probably gonna fast forward it from here onwards. And there we go. Fully lubed and assembled. Great shooter. Really enjoyed this pistol. And I'll see you guys in the next video.